Is this a Febreze commercial? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, it's the Ellen Show.
Oh my god, it's the 1,000-Pound Sisters. You must now choose.
A cheese sandwich.
Or
your childhood best friend.
Now, this will be hard, but... What the fuck?
Bitch, I was hungry. Now you must run to save your life. Yeah, I don't really run.
You'll die if you don't.
Okay,
You fat bastard.
Hey, I'm going. Oh. Oh god, the blades are getting close. Okay, I broke the motor. Pull the lever. Okay, pull the lever. Hold up! You know what? You fucking deserve to die. I can't. I survived? Did you, though? What is this, fucking Goosebumps? I'm not slapping you, big bitch. Okay. Puppet. You mother... Fuck. Ow.
I'm watching you.
Why?
Why not?
I hate this window.
Yeah.
Who's shipping that? You're watching me.
Yeah.
Because you're thinking. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm talking to her. She just cut me off.
Oh boy.
And what you gonna do about it? Huh?
I can't believe this disgusting comment right here. All I'm trying to do, make videos, make people laugh, and you're telling me to blow up. It's absolutely ridiculous. Just because I'm Muslim, just because I'm an Arab, does not mean I want to blow myself up. Honestly, this world is absolutely crazy.
I just realized I've had Ruger for 5 years and Lola for 12, and I've never told them my name.
My name's Taylor.
It's y'all.
How do you find the gym in Hogwarts? You look for the dumbbell door. Ah!
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? I'm gonna need that. Give me that cake right now.
Sarah was finally home. Caillou was very happy to see her. Caillou! Ni hao. What?
That's what you just asked for! He's being considerate, you aggressive! Hey, Cooper, can I get the sheesh? How about a, that was bussin' bussin'?
You're literally a human. I love you so much.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that. Yeah! Yeah! Hey! Hey! Heavy sparrow, man. Spirit is my.
Now, the way you open it is that you have to just take it by the knob. Don't touch anywhere else. Just take it by the knob and open it. Do a little shaky. It's fine.
Sticker. It's a sticker.
All right. Okay, here it goes. So
It's gonna blow up.
It's supposed to be exciting. Oh, I'm sorry.
Corvette. Hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Him and that, him and that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that?
Bust a move. Ooh, nice. Oh, she's busting that move.
It's dangerous. I want to be dangerous.
I want to be dangerous. Oh my gosh, she's dangerous.
The Enchanted Lake.
The Enchanted Lake.
Celia! I'm bad.
I'm bad. She is bad. Nice.
I always remember my birthday. See? We're going to figure it out.
Carlos, remember my birthday. See? Mom?
What do you think, Bubba? What is that?
I went to Spain recently. It was a disaster, okay? I went to this restaurant. I needed to go to the restroom. I don't want to go into too much detail, but I needed to drop the kids off at the pool, all right? So I did that, right? I go to flush, it doesn't work. I flush again, still not working. 5, 6, 7 times I try to flush this thing down, it will not go. So I'm like, I'm going to do the right thing here. I'm not going to do a hit and run. I will go out and inform a member of staff that there is a problem with their facilities, all right? I go into the restaurant, I find a waiter. Unfortunately, I don't speak any Spanish. He doesn't speak a word of English. I end up having to kind of gesture to this man. I'm like, yes, could you just come here? No, yes, leave them alone, sir. Yes, just follow me. Ici, por favor. Yes, just in here. Yeah. I managed to usher him into the restroom, right? I pointed at my poo. I went to flush. It went down straight away. How weird did I look? Like I just invited a waiter into the restroom to say goodbye to my turd. Come on, let's give it a proper send-off. Flush. Rule Britannia. Britannia, rule the waves.
Today and yesterday.
What is a word in your foreign language that just sounds insanely inappropriate to English speakers?
In the southern part of my country, Nigeria, when you want to say please, you say shall. When you want to say change, you say mio. When you want to say my, you say bill. And when you want to say grades, you say B's. So if you think your teacher has graded you wrongly and you want to tell her, please change my grades, you say, show me your boobies.
to eat a very few things in the couple months that we've had it, even though we've made sure the husband... Watermelons are kind of fast.
Kids, breakfast is ready. Breakfast not ready.
It's oh.
Now look at this.
And I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
How did he get away with this?
He stole his ice cream cone.